0.004 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. Look, to find out the multiplication table of 2 easily, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. This will continue. 2 goes into 0. How many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract 0, okay, so bring down this 0, but before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 4. Look, 2 goes into this 4 how many times? 2 times 2 times 2, 4. That is 2 goes into 4 2 times. Right, 2 2 times 2, 4. You subtract, your remainder is 0, so we have nothing to do. So our result is 0.002.